Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs. We'll start by gathering our ingredients and setting up our cooking station. The key to a great poached egg is using very fresh eggs, as this helps them hold their shape beautifully. You'll need a pot filled with about 4 inches of water and a small amount of white vinegar. Bring this water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not boiling vigorously. Now, let's get those eggs into the water. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This prevents the yolk from breaking. Before adding the egg, use a spoon to create a gentle swirl in the simmering water. This motion helps the egg white wrap around the yolk. Carefully slide the egg into the center of the swirl, then repeat for any additional eggs you are poaching. Cooking time is crucial for your desired yolk consistency. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook your eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, extend the cooking time to around 5 minutes. The egg whites should appear fully set and opaque. Remember not to overcrowd your pot. Cook only 2 or 3 eggs at a time to maintain water temperature and ensure even cooking. Once your eggs are perfectly poached, it's time to remove them from the water. Use a slotted spoon to gently lift each egg, allowing any excess water to drain. You can briefly place them on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb more moisture. Season your beautiful poached eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve them immediately on your favorite toast, with avocado, or atop some fresh greens for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.